Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Drain Hose. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instructions, the zip tie for the drain loop, the clamp to put it onto the drain pump, and the drain hose. The drain hose is what carries the wastewater from the dishwasher to the sink. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's cracked or has a hole in it and you're getting water on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. So first we're going to open up the door and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that hold it in. Now that we have the screws out, we can go underneath the cabinet and remove the lines. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we can close the cabinets and come over and grab the dishwasher door, lift it up a little bit, and use it to start pulling the dishwasher out. Once you have it out far enough, we can grab the frame and pull it all the way out. Now that we're on the back side of the dishwasher, we can use our 5/16 nut driver to loosen up the clamp so we can pull the drain hose off. Once you have it loose, and before you pull it off, you may want to throw a towel down to catch any water that may come out. Once you have it off, we can set it aside. Here's the old drain hose next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Remember to make sure you follow the instructions. If you have an air gap, you can hook it straight to it. If you don't have an air gap, you have to create a high drain loop, and they give you the zip tie with the mounting hole to do that. Make sure you put it at least 32 inches up, and make sure you use the new clamp to put it onto the dishwasher drain pump. When you're installing the other end of the drain line onto either the air gap or the garbage disposal, they give you two sizes. The bigger one is 1 inch, and the smaller one is 5/8. If you need the smaller one, all you have to do is cut it off at the line, and then you can put it in. To put the new drain hose on, you want to very carefully line it up and push it onto the drain pump. Once you have it bottomed out on this little tab right here, we can move the clamp around so we can tighten it down. We're going to use the 5/16 nut driver to tighten it up. Now that we have the new drain hose on, we can reinstall the dishwasher. First thing we need to do is put the lines back through the cabinet. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway and then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push it back into the counter. Now that we have the dishwasher back in the cabinet, we can open up the door. Now we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Then we can close the dishwasher door and go underneath the sink to reconnect the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.